Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to change the background or the wallpaper of your MacBook. In order to do that, all you have to do is double click, that is the left click on general computers, but that is double click on, with two fingers on your MacBook. And in here, you will see an option called Change Desktop Background. That would be a wallpaper change. Just click on it. And then when you click on it, you will be given this main screen. In here you can see there's a lot of pictures available. These are already uploaded by the MacBook. These are HD pictures. Just click on them, and that way that would be very much easy for them to change the pictures. For example, if you want to change, you want the computer, your screen, to change picture every 30 minutes, you can click on change picture every 30 minutes. You can reduce it to 5 seconds if you wanted to. Every 5 seconds, the picture will be changed. If you want to, you can see on the background the picture is being changed. You can do it every minute, 5 minutes, every day. So there's much more options in here. But if you want to change it randomly, you can even change random order. So that's a very much easy on how to change your pictures. But if you want to do it from other pictures, if you want from laptop, you can see there are a lot of options on moments, easily available. You can change it from there. So this is very much easy on how to change your desktop picture or anything. Your MacBook background, that would be this option. So I hope I have made clear this point. So if you think you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, and we'll catch you on the video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling.